We're in New Jersey. I grew up in West Milford, and then spent the second, 10 years old and on out down in Morristown. Yeah. There's a rivalry. There's a cheer, north and south. Are you asking if I'm a Giants fan or an Eagles fan? Still a Giants fan. Yeah, so I've gotten to play Asbury Park over the years, and I've been pretty much, I would say I'm an autobiographical writer. I try to write about my life, and I think we all do on some level, and sometimes it's a little, it's more close to home than other songs. But I always feel like I can be when I'm on tour, running around playing shows, I feel like I'm most myself. So I feel like I write, or I feel like I'm being my best self, but at the same time, then you always miss being home. I feel like that's what guys in bands most often has the one silver lining, or the one regret, or the one bummer of touring, is that you miss your family so much. And so I'm going to start things out here with a song that is it's not on any record, and I'm hoping it's going to be on our upcoming record. It's a song called Holy Rolling Thunder, and it's a song about being away from home.
Found heaven, looks like you, in an open arm position. I've developed a tick or two. I've weathered more than I was built for. We can recreate or replicate. I accept that we don't get to live forever, but I will not disguise that I can't recognize any finish line at all. Holy rolling thunder, carry me on. I gotta finish what I've started, love. Oh, my only blunder is ever too wrong. I can hear you in the darkness calling. I have treasure mapped in mind. Every canyon down this coast, empty-handed and out of time. This whale has swallowed us all. Now we can recreate, turn around and replicate. It's getting way too late for these dreams to deliver, but I will not disguise, I still can't recognize any finish line at all. Holy rolling thunder, carry me home. I gotta finish what I've started, love. Oh, my only blunder is ever too wrong. I can hear you in the darkness calling. Holy rolling thunder, can you hear me in the darkness coming home? These old bones will swear and shake, for more storms are sure to come. come to those who wait.